Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with quick, decisive checks so you know what you're dealing with. First, plug a known good 5V cable and adapter. Make sure the LED responds. If no LED, inspect the lightning port under light and gently remove debris. Compressed air or a soft brush works. Once done, hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a reset. Listen for the chime. These steps separate simple faults from deeper battery issues so you don't replace parts unnecessarily. You now dig into diagnosis. If comfortable, open the ear cup following a guide. Measure pack voltage with a multimeter. Healthy cells read about 3.7 to 4.2V each. If you avoid opening, try a different certified charger and charge for 30 minutes, then test. Also perform the Beats firmware reset by holding power plus volume down for 10 seconds and note LED behavior. These actions distinguish a depleted or faulty battery from a charging circuit or firmware glitch. So make informed next steps. You finish by replacing or repairing based on findings. If cell voltage was low, install an OEM or verified replacement battery, matching polarity and connector orientation, secure insulation, and avoid pinching wires. Reassemble the cup, charge fully, and test a full playback cycle. Expect near original runtime for success. If problems persist, the charging IC or logic board may be the culprit. In that case,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.